Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Life, and today's drone film is a flight around the old town of Paphos just after sunset. It's before nightfall, but the sun's definitely gone down, so the lights are visible, but there's still a bit of light in the sky as well. We're going past Mutlos at the moment, and there's the mosque. And we're coming round in a loop to the front of Old Town and the market. Now the market's nicely illuminated at the moment, but there's absolutely nothing there. It's just corridors basically. I mean, it only comes alive in the mornings really. But you've got the front of the Old Town now. And that cafe, which is in the left bottom, seems to be doing nice trade at the moment. Now in this scene we're coming down the main ring road. That pink building on the right is Stephanie Rose, and you can see coming from the top there's a circular building. That's the Cafe Nero and the viewpoint. And go down there, carry on down that road, and you'll end up at Kings Avenue Mall and the seafront. And now we're swooping back over the main part of Old Town. You can see the little play area that's between Ibrahim's Khan and the Green Living Wall, which you can also see at the bottom and centre. And there's the covered market again, which we're going to glide over once more. Now we're heading back towards the bus station car park where we started. I have a nice view of the skyline in a minute and the hills above Paphos. I think Paphos looks very peaceful just after sunset and before night has fully fallen. Oh, that area on the left you can see, that's the Park of Colours, and it's in full use, lots of people playing on the sporting fields. And we're going to finish by zooming down to the car park itself. This is actually a bit of a selfie, because you'll see both myself and Alex appear as I get close to the car. I'm the one with the bald head. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next film. Cheers.